everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So I love chicken and today I'm going to make something that I've never made before, and that's coconut chicken curry. So if you love curry, then stick around and see how it all turned out. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And I do have another channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. So if you can just go over there, subscribe, support, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So no talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So it's been a minute since I've had a curry dish, and I've been really craving a recipe that was loaded with so much flavor, and I really wanted to give this recipe a try. And it has all the flavors that I love, and it's really simple to make. So first off, I'm going to peel and grate around 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, and I really love ginger. I keep it in my kitchen all the time. It is so healthy for you. Okay, so that's around a tablespoon of ginger. So I'm going to set it to the side, and I'm going to take 1 medium onion and I'm going to chop it up really good. So 1 medium onion chopped and ready to go. And now I have 4 large fresh garlic cloves that I'm going to go ahead and chop up really good. And personally, I don't think any recipe is complete without garlic. I love it. I use it for everything. Now the chicken I'm going to use is 2 pounds of skinless, boneless chicken thighs. And if you're not a fan of chicken thighs, go ahead and use some skinless, boneless chicken breasts. But the thigh, in my opinion, is a dark meat, and so it just offers a lot more flavor for this particular recipe. And as you can see, as I'm slicing the chicken up, I'm also cutting them into 1-inch pieces. I think next time I'm going to use around 3 to 4 pounds of chicken for this particular curry recipe because I really love chicken. So now I'm going to head on over to the stove, and over a medium-high heat, I'm going to warm up around 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. And I'm going to saute the chopped onions for about 5 minutes or until they're soft and translucent. And now we're going to add and layer so many flavors that's going to make this dish so delicious. We're going to start off by 2 to 3 tablespoons of red curry paste. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And now I'm going to go ahead and add that fresh ginger and give it a good stir. And now I'm ready to add 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, a teaspoon of ground coriander, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper just for a little heat, not too much though. And then just stir everything for about 2 minutes so those flavors can all come together. Not to mention, it's really going to start to smell amazing. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and I'm ready to go ahead and add in the chopped chicken thighs. And now you want to stir and coat the chicken for about 5 minutes or until it's browned up, and you just want to make sure that the chicken picks up all that amazing flavor. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of coconut milk, which is going to add a lot of creaminess to the curry sauce, and a half a cup of chicken broth to add richness and balance. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar to balance out the spices, and to add acidity, and just to wake up all those flavors, I'm going to squeeze the juice of 1 fresh lime. And at the very end, I'm just going to add some sea salt and some black pepper just for a little added flavor and taste. And I'm going to give it one last stir, and I'm going to let this simmer over medium-low heat for 25 minutes uncovered. Like I said, I never made chicken curry before, and I'm so happy I did. You have a delicious South Asian recipe that you can make so quickly in 30 minutes. It's packed with so many delicious flavors, and I'm telling you, I'm gonna make this again and again, and you definitely should too. But we're all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Hype it up, you guys. Let's get it in the algorithm. And follow me on my new channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. You guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.